Whimsy North, and today I'm going to show you how to make increases within a color chart, like we have here with my Glimmer Crop pattern. As you can see, there's the yoke design, and this is a charted yoke design that has different sections on the chart, and within that chart are the increases. So you're going to be increasing within the chart. So in order to show this and demonstrate, I blew up and printed out a small section of the chart. This is the beginning section, rounds 1 through 5. As you can see on the chart, it is knit in the round. So you will start on the right hand side for every single round and work your way across to the left. So for round 1, round 2, then moving on to 3, and then you hit round 4. And at the end of round 4, you can see there is a symbol here, and this symbol, per the key, is a make one left. So I'm going to show you how to do that make one left within your round. I put together a small sample that I'm going to show just knit up to round 4. So here I have what is the collar section, as well as the rows 1 through 3 of the color work. I'm going to zoom in so you can see a little bit closer here how I'm going to work this 4th row. The entire 4th row is knit with this dark gray color, or whichever color you choose that corresponds with that color in the chart. Mine is going to be a dark gray. So I'm going to start here on the right hand side. I'm going to knit 4 across, and then I'm going to do the make one left. Okay, so I'm going to knit 1, pull my tail a little tighter. Okay, knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, knit 4, and then I've come to that make one left symbol on the chart. To knit that, I'm going to put my right hand needle underneath the bar in between the 2 stitches and bring it up and place it onto my left hand needle. Then I like to stretch it out a little bit just so I can get my needle in there. I insert my needle knitwise and knit that stitch. And there we have a make one left. 4 stitches and a make one left. Now I just continue to repeat that section all the way around, knitting the 4 stitches and then making one left. So I'm going to show you again how I would continue knitting that chart in a round. You will find in the pattern that some of the rows have an increase at the beginning of the row. Some of them have them at the end, I should say, of the round. And some of them are using different colors. So just keep that in mind when you're going along each round as to whether you need to be making one before the section, after, or with a different color. Have fun!